Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on the screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on the screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on the screen. Those are attending in online. Check it, guys. All of you are getting my voice on the screen. Those are attending in online. No response. Okay. Mahesh, are you there? Mahesh, are you there? Mahesh, please respond for me. Naveen, Prandya, Rajendra Kumar, Sunil, yeah, Mahesh, and then you have to join with ID, boss. Then Durga Soft has given some ID, right? ID number. Through that you have to join, not the webinar ID. Durga Soft has given admission number. Through that you have to join. Just I'm removing you. Now try to join with admission number, not with webinar ID. Narahari, Sadhu, you also. Yeah, I'm trying to cancel you. Then try to join with ID. Okay. Right, sir. Guys, now let us understand this. Then what topic here we are discussing there at present? What we are discussing? Please confirm to me what exactly the content here we are discussing there. Have I completed that the GUI hibernate application? Have we discussed about it? The GUI and hibernate integration application completed or not? Okay, no response, guys. I think we completed this example. Yeah. Next one is after this. Right. After completion of this, today we need to understand like what there the geo application anyway we completed there. Now today here we have to understand like what there servlets, JSPs and Hibernate. This application here we have to prepare servlets, JSPs and Hibernate. So this integration application here we have to understand. Let's see this. First of all, I want to give application idea of this application here I want to provide. Then after that we are going to see the content. Guys, all of you ready with this? Here we have to go for like what the normal basic application flow here I want to provide. Then after that we will start implementation of the application clearly. Right, sir. Now let's understand this now. Right. Then first of all, I want to take like what there. Here I want to take this. Okay. This is like what I'm telling to you. Okay. Here I'm telling like what there. Login hyperlink, registration hyperlink, register hyperlink. Two hyperlinks are going to be available. For example, with respect to the login hyperlink, here we are able to have login page. Okay. Right, sir. Now this is login form. With respect to this register, here what we are getting the registration form here we are getting registration form, username, password, email ID, mobile number, then at the end register. Right, sir. This is exactly the meaning of like what there registration form. Two forms here we are getting there. Okay. Then after that, what next one here? I'm telling there after completion of this login and registration both here we are getting now. Now here I want to take a servlet. Controller servlet here I want to take. Controller servlet. Okay. Controller servlet here we have taken. Inside this controller servlet, we are going to write some logic here. Then logic I will show that later on. At the same time, now here service layer I don't want to take that directly. I want to go for what there. Directly DO layer also we can I can use. Maybe DO layer or service layer if you want to take it, then we can take it. No, it's not at all the issue. No, there we are going to provide only namesake only service layer we are going to provide. Okay. Then after that, here what we required here DO. Then I want to go for like what their database. This is database. Database here we required. Okay. Now this I want to say DO layer user DO. Okay. Now here what I will do there. Just I end top level flow only I'm telling there, but internally when we go there, some content is going to be available. Internal flow of execution is also be available. That is a different case. Implementation point of view, small changes are available, but overall idea I'm telling to you, try to understand it. Overall idea. Okay. Now, first of all, here I want to complete like what phase there. This one. When I click on this register, automatically this form is open. This is some registration form. Register form.html or JSP, whatever it may be. Namesake I'm taking HTML. If it is required to change that in the future, I will change this. Don't worry for it. Okay, fine. Now here I want to go for the sign up process here. Sign in and sign up. Now it is what their username I want to provide. Something else like what their ABC. Okay, ABC is username I'm providing there. Password I want to provide ABC123. And email ID here we want to provide some value like what there abc@gmail.com. And mobile number also here we are going to provide some mobile number. Then after that I'll click on like what button there, register button here we are going to click. When we click on this register button, automatically flow of execution will come to what their control servlet. Now here what controller servlet will do there, controller servlet will access DOO method. DOO will interact with the database. DOO will interact with what their database. Now database operation will be performed. What operation is performed? They know database operation will be performed. Okay. When a database operation is performed, observe carefully. When database operation is performed, automatically some results are coming here. DO layer is able to perform maybe success or failure, or maybe existed. It able to give something there. They're able to provide some status to the respective client application. What is the status they know? Maybe registration success or registration failure, something is going to be happen. Okay, right, sir. Now similarly, what we are able to prepare there, here we are able to provide now login. Login option here I'm telling there now. For example, when we click on this login button, automatically this login form.html might be open. Login form.html. Okay. Now login form.html it able to open. Then here I need to provide some data. Username is like what there ABC. Password is like what there ABC123. Then after that, I'll click on login button. Automatically login button. Click on this login button. Automatically request will come to servlet. The controller servlet here we can take. Inside this controller servlet, then what we are able to provide here, inside the controller servlet, then what we are able to provide here, it will interact with it will access DO method. DO is able to access our database operations, able to perform database operations. Some response here we are getting there. The required response here we are getting to the control servlet, and control servlet is able to give some response to the respective or might be user. Then what is that response here? Maybe success or maybe failure. That's it. These things are going to be utilized. Okay. This is a clear cut information here, what I'm telling there. Alright, sir. High level part I discussed there. Then I want to go for like further more content, more view. I'm going to prepare now, not try to recognize this clearly. Right. Understand this, all of you guys, how I'm going to implement this application now. Let us prepare this application here. Now this time I need to prepare web application. Am I right or not? Guys, you only respond for me, all of you guys. Everybody has to give a response to me. What application here I'm trying to prepare there? Web application here I have to prepare. Guys, now tell me what we have to prepare there. Now I think so we have to use Maven or without Maven. Maven or without Maven. Maven or without Maven. No response, guys. Please give response to me. If you give it, then I will start preparation. Already we started with Maven, right? So we have to understand with Maven. Okay, now get new and other. I need to go for like what there? Maven. Next button. Next button. Now observe carefully here. This is what there. Maven archetype quick start project, core Java project. If we scroll down, here we are getting like what there. Maven archetype web app. Maven archetype, what is available there? Web app. com.durgasoft is okay. Then application name is what there? app09. Click on finish button. It will take some time here for downloading. Just wait up to the time. Right, sir. Now let me close this overall. Project is created, right? Right, sir. Inside this, now it is created, it's okay. Inside this, I need to provide Java version there. J2SE 1.5 is available. Here we have to take properties or not. Here we have to take properties. Inside the properties, here we have to provide what there? Property, not property. Here we have to go for Maven dot compiler dot source. Here what we have to specify there? 1.17. Maven dot compiler dot target 1.17. That's it. These two things here we have taken another properties, no? Let me change it. Right click here, Maven update project. Right, sir. What version here we are getting there? Java 17 version here we are getting. Okay. Next one. After that, now we need to go for like what there. Why we are getting this problem here? Could not initialize class or dot Apache dot Maven. Okay. Or dot Apache dot Maven dot plugin dot where dot util. Web app structure initialized. Don't worry. I'll check it. Web app. So now here we need to go for so many dependencies here. What dependencies here we require? One by one, where we are going to provide. First of all, we require servlet dependencies. Okay. Servlet API Maven dependency. 3.0 here I want to use. Copy this. Your dependencies are available already. Let me use this. For JUnit is available. Let me save this. Here we are able to get servlet dependency. Servlet API 3.0 alpha -1 .jar file. Okay, fine. Here apart from this, what we required here? Java Servlet was not found on the Java build path. Now again we are getting it. What we have to get there? Java Servlet servlet. It's available. Maven dependency is available. Right click on it. Maven update project. Right, sir. Now that is removed. Okay. Next one is I'm going to use JSP pages now. So now I require JSP dependency also. JSP. Right, sir. Now JSP. Anyway, highest version only I want to take that. JSP dependency also here we have taken. Okay. JSP related thing is also generated. JSP AP is also generated. Then after that, I need JSTL dependency, guys. JSTL required. JSTL is also be required. Yes, sir. Think so. Not coming. This one is better. Right, sir. JSTL 1.2 jar file is also ready. Okay. Next one is after that hibernate related dependencies care we have to prepare. Hibernate related dependencies care we have to prepare. Am I right or not? Right, sir. What are the hibernate related dependencies care we have to provide there? Right. Hibernate core. Very soon I'll introduce hibernate 4 and its related. Hibernate 4 related things we are going to introduce very soon. Don't worry. Right, sir. Next one is what is required there? Then apart from this hibernate core, then what we require, guys? Now tell me. We have to go for MySQL. Right, sir. Now here we are getting like what there MySQL connector is also be generated. Guys, any other one? Java system. Right, sir. All the dependencies can be completed. Guys, is it clear to all of you? All dependencies are completed or not? Okay. All dependencies are completed here. Now it's okay. So where is the problem here? Still we are getting some problem there. Yeah, because of some other, but here we are getting some nothing, no problem is available here as of now. Okay, no problem. It may not give any issue for us. Dependencies are okay, JSL is okay, and everything is okay. Now the next one is what there we have to prepare the resources. You have to prepare the resources. No, what resources can we have to prepare there? No, source folder is not coming, sir. Then why source folder is not coming there? No, okay, no problem. Let's move on to the point here. Now, first of all, let me prepare my um, skeleton of the project here. I want to prepare. So here SRC main Java is required with me, right? And new source folder. Right, so now it will be like what there. Maven where plugin is not required basically. Maven where plugin. Okay, anyway, now let's see this one here. First of all, here, what I want to prepare there. Servlets. Source folder I want to create there. Now inside this, then I need to go for the point here. Now inside these resources, I want to create my required files. Resource okay. But SRC main Java is not available. There's a problem there. Not only servlets here, I need to create something else. How I'm going to create this one? Guys, previously something else here we understood. How we are able to get that source folders and all, guys? Now tell me. Previously we have done some manipulation. We have done it. How to get it? No. Now tell me. How we are able to get that source folder and everything? SRC main Java. Now we are getting. Yeah, that's okay. Now here we selected it. Now we are getting this SRC main Java. Okay. Then I can go for it as per my requirement. Right. Now inside this SRC main Java, I have to go for some packages. What packages here I'm going to prepare there? com.durgasoft.app09 controller. The next one is what there. Then after that DAO. Then after this DAO, then we have to go for like what there entities. Entities okay. Factory okay. New package. Factory is okay. Control is okay. DAO okay. Then any other one here? Under the resources, we are able to create configuration files and mapping files. Right, so these are sufficient. If you think, if you require any other one, then we are able to plan for it in the future while implementing that one. That's okay, fine. Right, now next one is what there. Uh, First of all, I have to go for a what there. We need to go for web app. Now inside this web app, I have to prepare all my files. What files here we required here? User interface files here we have to prepare. What files here we have to prepare there? User interface files. That means UI. Then before that user interface files, no? In a DAO what we required? In a DAO what we required? That we have to prepare. Let's prepare the skeleton, no? New. Right. Now observe carefully. New interface here we have to prepare. Interface. What is this interface here we have to provide there? Observe carefully. We have to provide interface. No, that interface name is what there? User DAO. In user DAO, we are able to use only the method. Like what methods there? Public check login. There one parameter is required. What is that parameter here? User details are available in the form of what there? User object. given that user object I have to create. Next one. Public registration. Right. Now again, we have to create user class in entities. Okay. Inside this user class here, I need to take four members. What four members here we have to take there? First of all, right. So now here, what we provided now, four variables here we provided. All four variables here we provided. Now here we have to go for source, generate getters and setters here we have to use and select all, generate button. All setters and getters here we are getting. Okay, sir. When we are getting these setters and getters now, what next one here? Bean is ready. In user DAO, okay, here we are getting this data. After that, what next one here we have to do there after completion of this implementation class here we have to prepare. For a DAO implementation class here we have to prepare. Right click here, new class. What is the class name here? No, user DAO IMPL. User DAO, click on finish button. Skeleton is ready. Next one is I need to go for controller. I have to prepare what there servlet. Now here we are not having any servlet here. Now to select others. Java package controller and class name is what there. Controller servlet here we prepared. URL pattern here we have to provide like what there. That's it. Then what we have to provide there controller. Now get do get method or do post method. We have to use. Then what we have to use there do get or do post method. Might be. Then this is like further controller alert. Now I want to go for further do post method. Yeah, both are available. Then which one is required that we can use? No problem. Controller alert is created. In web.xml file, what happens? Alert description is available or not? Right, sir. Controller alert is ready. Both the methods are existed here. Constructor is also be coming there, but we don't require that constructor. Okay. Right, guys. Just a skeleton only I prepared here. The remaining part I want to discuss with you in the next class, guys. Guys, when we are going to attend for the next class, please confirm to me. When we have to take next class, no? Guys, tomorrow attend for reflection AP and annotations topic, guys. And tomorrow I'm going to take reflection AP that is required for us when we go for. No, then tomorrow there is a workshop class to all of you. Reflection API topic I'm going to take tomorrow at 8:30. That is required in hibernate also may be required there. Try to follow this and tomorrow reflection API at 8:30 to 11 a.m. Not 11 a.m. Maybe up to 12 or something else up to the completion. Link is workshop link, guys. I think you're having that workshop link previously. Okay, I think so. It's not available. Then I'll send that link to you. Workshop link I will provide. Uh, right, sir. I'm providing this link in the document. No, otherwise, then the questions box. I'm sending this workshop link to all of you. Now try to take it. Right, sir. Now I'm sending that workshop link to you. Now try to take it. Yeah. Then try to attend for it. The document also is available. At the same time, in the questions box also be in the webinar also be. I uploaded that. Now try to attend at 8:30. Workshop link. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. I'll see that point in tomorrow. Thank you.